The most beautiful and important prayer that we could offer to God is the way we live our life. Your life together is your prayer and gift to God.
Lord, thank you sa mga blessings na binigay mo sa akin. Lalong-lalo na nung dumating si April sa buhay ko. Pangako ko po, hindi ko po siya sasaktan. Lagi ko po siyang aalagaan, papahalagahan.
Para magkaka-hate kayo?
May both of you open your hearts to the promptings of God. Open to new experiences. Open a new chapter in your life as husband and wife. April Joy and Lancer Lee, open each day by praying together. Huwag kayong haharap sa mundo nang hindi nagdarasal.
I promise to love you without condition, to honor you each and every day, to laugh with you when you are happy, to support you when you're sad, to guide you when you ask for direction.
Love, finally, nandito na tayo. Sino mag-e-expect na almost 8 years?
April Joy, Lancer Lee, ang aming dalangin, ang kwento nyo bilang mag-asawa ay magkaroon ng kwenta kung palaging si Jesus ang inuuna.
Dito na tayo sa pangarap natin na magagawa ng sariling family. Hindi na ako makapaghintay na mag-ID. I love you. See you.
Ito na yung araw na sobrang tagal nating hinintay. Gusto ko lagi mo lang tandaan na ganun pa rin sa dati, hindi nagbago. Lagi lang ako nandito. Huwag kang matakot, huwag kang mangamba na baka darating yung araw na magbago ako. Pangako, hindi naman mangyayari yun.
Love, today begins my lifetime with you. Ikaw yung dumating sa buhay ko na sobra kong pinasasalamatan. Back then, I had no idea that this day would be possible, but God's plan is way better.
Let me remind you of the words of wisdom in marriage. A good marriage must be created. In marriage, the little things are the big things. It is never being too old to hold hands. It is remembering to say, I love you. Lancer Lee, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si April Joy na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Father.
To change you to be a better person and allow you to do same for me. I promise to be your best friend your biggest fan, and to always listen and compromise as we go to our journey together.
April Joy and Lance Hurley, January 12, 2024. Father, ikakasal na po ako. Gusto po sana namin i-request na kayo po ang magkasal sa amin. Since January 12, April and Lancer, I've been praying for you and will continue to pray for you.
I vow to walk with you. I got your back forever until our hair turns gray. And when we're old and gray, I promise that I will always see you as the most charming person that I fell in love with.
April Joy, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito o pamakaisang dibdib si Lancer Lee na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father. Love, you are my today and my tomorrow. I love you more. I love you, love, more than words.
What brings you today is not the planning, no, but the planning goes all the way for the rest of your life. Because your wedding lasts only today, but your marriage will last forever.